Igwe!
What's the meaning of this? Were you not told that I'm in the middle of a meeting with my cabinet?
Igwe, we are told. But this issue at hand needs urgent attention, Igwe. We caught this girl fornicating inside the bush with a married man, Igwe. A married man! Shut up!
That's not...
Shut up! In front of Igwe, you are lying. Are you mad?
Where is the man you caught her with?
Igwe, the man is a jet. The man took off. Igwe, the man ran away.
Make sure you bring him here.
Yes, Igwe. I know where the man stays. Definitely, you are away.
Igwe, this girl has to be banished from this land immediately.
They are lying.
Shut up! Shut up! I wish people are lying. In front of Igwe, you are still lying.
Yeah, you will relax.
Is it because I asked my brother to give you your clothes? Is it why you are still talking? We have brought her here naked though.
Hey, Igwe, this little demon here is lying. She can lie for Africa.
Igwe, she was naked though. She was naked. Stark naked. It's out of Chinwe and Charity. I had to give her her clothes to come here.
Igwe, they all knew they are lying again.
Knew who? Who knew? Chop up before I was you. Here is palace. Here is palace. If not for one thing, I would have demonstrated how you were doing it. How you were shouting. I would have done it here by raising up. Because of Igwe. Igwe. Over to you.
God! Take this girl to the dark room and lock her up. Yes, sir.
Igwe, please.
Hold her well.
Igwe,
Move. This girl is machine. This girl is machine. Hold her well. Move.
Perpetrators acting innocent. AI. Why the innocent is pleading for mercy and they planning more evil. So many enemies in disguise. But the question now is who's the enemy? Whoa, who's the enemy of the throne? Simba, yeah, yeah, Simba. The perpetrators acting innocent. AI. Why the innocent is pleading for mercy and they planning more evil. So many enemies in disguise. But the question now is who's the enemy? Whoa, who's the enemy of the throne? Simba, yeah, yeah, Simba.
was there. Follow there, man there, on there. Go inside, man, cover. Let me follow here. She's not here. See, that girl was behind it. Oh yeah, she's not far from here. So we don't need to be running too much. This is around here. Hey, stop there. Stop there. Eh? Stop there. Stop there. So you want to run? No. After fornicating? I think. Come this way. Officer, come. Hey!
I don't understand what this thing is all about. I've not done anything wrong now. What is it? What have I done?
Hey, one more word from your mouth, I will give you a resounding slap. Come on, will you keep quiet? Listen, we are taking you straight to the palace now.
Why? What did I do?
For fornicating.
Me?
Doggy. Let me go
No, it's not true. Let me tell you the truth. Okay. Okota has been on my case since he told me he loves me and he desperately wants to sleep with me, which I declined. When I saw him on the lonely road, I had to run for my life. That was what happened. I don't know what he told you people.
Yeah. Then why you running?
I am running because I don't want him to take advantage of me. The road was very lonely.
You're lying. Let's take her to the palace.
You know what? Don't rough hand her. I've heard your plea, eh? Now move.
Move this side. Come on, move. Come here. Come and go out this way. Who is lying? You're innocent.
Mama. Eh? Who is chasing you? Mama. Misurena. My daughter? They are taking her to the palace. What has she done? Mama, they said she was caught inside the bush with a man. What is she doing inside the bush? They said she was caught with a man in the bush. Fornicating. Fornicating? My daughter can never do such an abominable thing. I know Rena cannot do such a thing, but they insisted she did it. Eh? No. I raised my daughter very well. She can never do such a thing. Ah! Mama, we need to rush to the palace right now before it is too late. Hey! My daughter is innocent too.
I don't understand why you are doing this. You all know that you're lying against me.
Even before I descend on you now.
Okota will go. You people are being me.
Just keep talking. Move!
Okota, you know I did not do anything. You know I did not do anything. It's because you like me. That's why you're doing all these things. That's why you're doing all these things, Okota.
Come on, follow me until I like you. I will only girl in this town. I like you. Come on, let's go. Move now.
Okota, you push leave me alone.
What's going on here?
You push leave me alone. These people lied against me.
Come on, shut up. Urena, what did you do?
I did not do anything.
Shut up. This girl, we caught this girl fornicating inside the bush with a married man.
That's a lie. Where is the man?
Come on, hey, do not touch her, okay? She has a right to defend herself. Wait. Who be this goalkeeper with bad head? Wait. Who is this overgrown, overfed baby? Stop your worry. I go knock you, slap your head, go correct. Come on, bring your hand down. What's your worry? The man. Hey! Listen, I know Urena very well. She's innocent and she can't do such a thing. I don't understand what you're talking about. So who are you to interfere in this matter? Who are you? Baby mama now. Who are you? Unfortunate European. Who are you? Listen to me. I'm not here to argue with you guys. Urena here has to speak for herself. Okay? Urena.
I did not do it. I did not do it.
What are we waiting for now? Right? What are we waiting for now? Wait.
Hello?
Wait, guys, calm down, okay? Calm down, please. I know Urena very well. She can't commit such atrocity. We should investigate this and get to the root of this matter. Okay.
I go.
continue getting to the root of the matter. Do your investigation while we take her to the
So you want to talk about me? Come on,
yeah, I will be saying, go back to this guy go sit at all, let's go. This guy go sit at there. All this overgrown, overfed.
Take me to the palace. Oh no, I did not do it.
Oga, keep quiet and move. Move when you're in people. Come on. Like move it.
I am innocent.
Come on, move. Hey, stop. I beat you. Right here. Come on. Let's go.
What crime did she commit?
My friends, we caught this girl fornicating inside the bush with a married man. Can you imagine?
It's a lie, my friend.
Shut up! What is a lie?
Allowed to speak for herself. What happened?
They are lying against me. They just want to frame me up. I am innocent.
My friends, do not listen to this idiot. She's a pathetic liar. You're a liar! My prince, we caught her red-handed. This python here, we caught her red-handed by giving a young man doggy in the bush. King Elemaya.
What about the man she was fornicating with?
The man is a jet. I said the man is a jet. The man took off. The man ran away.
Why are you doing?
Shut up!
What kind of man was she fornicating with?
A married man. What is my anger is not even the fornication. Now the angle, the position, the way she started, the way she was giving it the man from the back, the way the position, the way she positioned herself.
It's a lie from the pit of hell. You people
Shut up! If I was you, shut up.
Why would a young girl like you be fornicating with a married man? What do you stand to gain?
Shut up! If you can do dog in the village, what will you do in the city?
This young man can't probably be lying against you. You commit a crime and you must face the consequences, which results to banishment. Take her inside.
What? I did not. Please, I did not.
What's the meaning of this? Were you not told that I'm in the middle of a meeting with my cabinet?
Igwe, we are told, but this issue at hand needs urgent attention, Igwe. We caught this girl fornicating inside the bush with a married man, Igwe. A married man! Shut up!
That's not.
Shut up! In front of Igwe, you are lying. Are you mad?
Where is the man you caught her with?
Igwe, the man is a jet. The man took off. Igwe, the man ran away.
Make sure you bring him here.
Yes, Igwe. I know where the man stays. Definitely, you are away.
Igwe, this girl has to be banished from this land immediately.
They are lying.
Shut up! Shut up! I wish people are lying. In front of Igwe, you are still lying.
Yeah, Urena. You will relax.
Is it because I asked my brother to give you your clothes? Is it why you are still talking? We have brought her here naked though.
Hey, Igwe, this little demon here is lying. She can lie for Africa.
Igwe, she was naked though. She was naked. Stark naked. It's out of Chinwe and charity. I had to give her her clothes to come here.
They all knew they are lying again.
Knew who? Who knew? Chop up if I was you. Here is palace. Here is palace. If not for one thing, I would have demonstrated how you were doing it. How you were shouting. I would have done it here by raising up. Because of Igwe. Igwe. Over to you.
God! Take this girl to the dark room. and lock her up.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Igwe, please.
Hold her well.
Igwe,
Move. This girl is machine. This girl is machine. Hold her well. Move. Igwe. Igwe. I've done well.
I did not do it, Mama.
Take
She's a child of destiny. She is innocent, but no one believes her side of the story. The cops are there watching, preparing their judgment. She is innocent.
Okota, you made a mistake. You made a serious mistake. You shouldn't have admitted that we know the man. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Don't you know that I need to say anything humanly possible to convince Igwe? Don't you know that? You see, at this point, I am supporting Ogo. See, the king will be expecting us to provide the person, the man she's doing this rubbish that we're claiming that the person is doing. And you and I know that there is nobody involved. Both of you are fools. Both of you are reasoning from your hands instead of your brain. Look at what you are saying. So you think it's compulsory for us to provide the man? Or are you afraid that when next Igwe summons us, we need to provide the man? Are you afraid? Okota, I am afraid. If you are not afraid, I am afraid. I know that surely that Igwe will want to know the reason we have not brought that man till now. Mr. Man, which you call me your when we get to that point, I will know how to cross it. And if we get to that bridge and the bridge collapse, what will we do? I form another bridge. Is it not me?
What did my daughter do to you that led you to frame her up? Bad generation. God will punish all.
Woman, wash your mouth. Mind the way you are talking to us. I am not your son. I will descend on you. You are not my mother. Descending on you will not take me anything. I will descend on you now to pull your feet. Mind the way you are talking to me.
You can never be my son, and I can never be your mother. You see this sound that I'm carrying? God will punish.
See. I beg, I've showered. Don't pour me that useless hand again. Respect yourself. If not that you're old, I'm the jack can't reset all your brain.
It is very stupid. We can sit down. It is very useless.
Woman, Madam, see, by managing your Facebook morphology, I can find out that you are exactly like your daughter. Like mother, like daughter. Your daughter is following your footsteps. Your useless daughter is following your footsteps. Just pray to God that one day, me, Okuta, will not catch you inside bush. Maba, what I will do to you that day, your own will go worse too.
Shut up your mouth. See, let me tell you, my daughter is not useless.
Your daughter is useless.
My daughter is not useless.
Doggy!
See, let me tell you, if you don't damn press up now, we'll finish all of you. Idiots, look at them. Useless people.
Let's watch and see. Let's watch and see. Madam, you, my eyes on you.
Criminal.
Mama doggy.
Criminal.
Mama doggy.
Fool.
Mama doggy.
Fool.
Mama doggy. My eyes. Mama doggy. Mama doggy.
You get what I don't understand. Abe, when you go school, when you speak that English face, talk am again. What you call am?
Wait till you know. Wait till you know.
For months later.
Festus morphology. Me and you na mate.
Also play.
Festus morphology. Come on, no, come on for you. Me and you know the name.
I heard that a young girl was brought into this palace earlier today.
Oh, yes. She was caught making out with a married man in the bush. What I don't understand is why should father choose to lock her up in the palace instead of banishing her with her family from this land?
Are you trying to say that that girl is in this palace as in right now?
Of course, yes.
No. No, that is not good at all. She will bring calamity into the royal home.
Father, she should be sent away first thing tomorrow morning. Please. Oh, well, you should have hear me out first before passing your judgment. First, the young girl denied vehemently engaging in such act. Secondly, the young man she was accused with absconded and was nowhere to be found as at this moment. And according to our tradition, both of them are supposed to be banished together. And, well, you can find the other one. There is no way you will conclude. So, I ordered them to look for the man, search for him everywhere, bring him to me so that I can properly conduct investigation and then pass my judgment.
With all due respect, Your Majesty, that girl committed an abomination. While the investigation is going on, that girl should be sent somewhere else. Please.
I agree with Mother.
I second that.
I've heard all you said, but here I am in charge. I am the king, and I have the final say.
For the sake of my poor mother, God, you know I am innocent. My innocence, I did not do it. I did not do it.
Get on your feet.
Please, I want you to help me. Where do you want to take me to? Help me out.
I'm taking you to the Igwe.
Can you help me tell him that I'm innocent? I did not do it.
Get up! Don't keep the Igwe waiting. Up!
But please, I'm begging you. I did not do it. Can you just help me tell the Igwe that I did not do it?
When you were doing it with the man, you did not know that you would be caught. Okay?
I did not do anything. I am innocent.
If you are innocent, then go and prove your innocence to the Igwe. Move!
She is innocent, but no one believes her side of the story. The cops are there watching.
Madam, why are you disturbing the palace?
Tell them to see my daughter. She is innocent. She is innocent.
You did not train your daughter well. That is why she messes around with married men.
I trained my daughter well. I gave her a good home training. She does not mess around. Please tell them to release my daughter. Give me my daughter. She is innocent.
See, let me tell you, don't bank on this case. Else, you will be locked up like your useless daughter has been locked up.
Hey!
She's a child of destiny. She is innocent, but no one believes her side of the story. The cops are there watching.
Why is he coming here? Should I stop him? No.
Okota, I'm here to see you.
I'm all ears. Stay.
What did Urena do to you?
Who is Urena? Who is Urena? I don't know. The girlfriend. What again?
Oh, stop acting as if you don't know what I'm saying. You think I don't know what transpired between the both of you? Just because you refused your friendship, you decided to mess her up. How cowardish of you!
Friendship, truly there. I said friendship impregnant you. The case. Just enter my house to talk rubbish. If not for one thing, I for descend on you right now. The case.
Okota, you should know me by now. I'm not scared of you. I am the only one in this village that can challenge you, and I'm here to tell you that. You are such a coward! You this overfed and overgrown baby. If you talk anyhow in this compound, I will teach you a lesson that you will never forget in your life.
I know this non-stop. Come on, you sit down there. You think I'm scared of you and this your puppet? This poor rats that you put here to talk to me anyhow.
See this goalkeeper, they call us puppet. Eh?
Obinna, Afame. I will fuck you up if you don't take your time. Go and ask who I am. My name is Okuta Obulu. I am not afraid of anybody. Okuta, you can't do anything to me. I will expose you and your evil deeds. I promise you that. That's one thing I can promise you. I will expose you. Obinna, you have no evidence against me. You have nothing against me. I'm allowing you to speak because of one thing. Next time, you will not be this lucky. Your evidence all in my palm. You may even at this village. I'll fuck you up. You and this your dogs.
Goalkeeper, go right. Don't you do anything.
Anybody that knows this,
who are you?
Unfortunately, you go and warn him. Tell him who Okuta is.
If you want to allow this fool to talk to me.
Ogripa, you are summoned in the palace by our king.
Him, Abi.
Alright, go, I'm coming.
You have to come with me immediately.
As what? As dog or what?
The king demands your presence immediately.
Okay, they go and they come and say the demand such effort.
My guy, mostly two aside. Which of the two aside? So what happened? Mostly three aside is talking about the what? My guy, mostly two aside.
She's trying to prove her innocence, a child of destiny. She's a child of destiny.
Okuta, we all know why the king needs attention in the palace. So what do you intend to tell me? You see, I'm worried though.
Is that why both of you are worried?
But of course, yes.
Alright. Let's go to the palace right now. I will handle everything myself. Like I told you guys before, by the time we get to the bridge, I will know how to cross it.
Okay, what exactly are you talking about? And wait, I don't understand. We are already at the bridge. So the question now is, how do we cross it? How? You see me, I don't want to get myself into trouble. I don't want you to. As it is like this, I am not following you to the palace because I don't know what to say to the Igwe. Tell us your plans. Let's know how to defend ourselves when we get there. Not we'll get there and you
are not following me to say something because I know your brain is not functioning well. You are following me as a friend, not to say something. So whenever I'm planning something, don't try to tell me that you don't know what to say. I'm not expecting you any day, anywhere to say anything. You are just a follower. You hear me? If you don't want to go with me, you can stay back. Let me go and handle this issue myself. My name is Okota Obulu. Okota Obulu for a reason. Anything Ukotel, I go carry am. If you open Unkotel, you bully. You hear me?
Oh God, this your brain box don't fail this time around.
You hear me?
Don't fail.
You hear me?
I don't hear you.
If you are not going with me, you stay back.
Wait here while I inform the Igwe that you are here.
No.
See, Mr. Man, see, comport yourself. Here is not Donk. Here is Palace. And any question Igwe is asking, allow me to answer him myself. They hear me.
Wait, what are you saying? Just pray you don't get us into trouble because I will never forgive you for this.
What is your problem? Are you mad? You know who you are talking to? Because I add you to this group. You dey craze? I dey talk. My childhood will make you date this group. No be say you deserve am. Mind the way they talk to me. My palace with them make you comport yourself. What do you know say you go tell me?
Seriously, you must keep the day, but maybe they comport yourself. You can't tell me.
Just shut up. Shut up.
What of the man I asked you to bring here? Am I not talking to human beings?
Igwe. We tried to capture him, but all to no avail. Ever since the incident, he has not returned to his house. And we also tried to find out his hideout, but we couldn't. But we are still on it, Igwe. We are still on it.
What about the wife?
This is the beginning of the problem I talked about.
Now listen. I want that woman here first thing tomorrow morning.
Yes, Your Majesty. I will do that.
I can leave.
He said we can leave now.
Leader.
Leave first. What are we going to do now? What are we going to do? There is nothing we can do other than to tell the king the truth. One more word from you, I'll blow off your head. Are you mad? What is telling the truth again? Are you mad? You can hear one word from you. I will shave you my head. You know the enormity of the plan you want to come. Okota, you need to calm down. Eh? You need to calm down. Let's know how to settle this in as team. Let's work together, reason together. I need to be left alone. I need to cool off my brain. Yes, you guys need to leave. I need to settle my brain. Are you driving us away? See, let me tell you one thing. 2 heads are better than 1. So let's work together instead of chasing us out. They said 2 heads are better than 1. Not this type of heads. Not this type of useless heads. Not this type of coconut heads. Okota, are you insulting us? I'm doing this just to help you, and you're here insulting. I don't like that kind of words that are coming out from your mouth. Don't insult me. You can insult me, but do not insult me. Nandi, please, I'm leaving. Count me out from whatever that concerns this matter. I am not longer interested. I am no longer interested anymore. Show me you see what he did to me. Show you saw it. You see what I'm talking about? Do you like the way we're fighting ourselves? Let's work together and solve this thing. You're telling us that you're insulting everybody. I don't just want to get angry. Let him go. He's not even supposed to be in this circle in the first place. I allowed him into this circle because he is my childhood friend. Yes. You know what? The stress is too much on my head. I need to go and cool off. See you later.
She's a child of destiny. She is innocent, but no one believes her side of the story. The cops are there watching.
Look, I have come to give you a very vital information before it happens.
Which is?
The Igwe and his people have decided to throw you away into the evil forest very early tomorrow morning. Jesus. They have decided to end it all.
You should not allow that to happen. The truth is that I am innocent. Help me beg Igwe. Make Igwe understand that I am innocent. I did not do it, please. You are my only hope now.
You want me to help you so that before tomorrow morning my head will roll on the floor in this palace?
But you have to help me, and I promise you, if you help me, the gods of our land will bless you. Please, I am innocent. I am not supposed to be banished or punished for something I did not do. This is a conspiracy against me.
Listen, if you really want me to help you, then you will do with me that thing you did in the bush with that man.
You cannot be serious. I am telling you I did not do anything with the man. That means you believe them. Yes, that is what it shows. You believe them. I am giving you my word. I am innocent. Okay, where is the man that I did the thing with? They lied that he flew away. Where is the man? Please now. God be cool. God be cool.
Look, let me tell you. You know that this thing is evil and you did it with a married man.
Listen, what you're asking me to do is against the gods of our land, is against our land. I cannot.
Forget about the gods of our land in this matter. This is between me and you. This is not God. Forget about God of our land. You know it's against the gods of our land and you did it with a married man. Look, I can't if you help me, I will help you. You want me to help you escape from the palace, and I want you to help me do with me that thing you do with that one in the bush. So I will help you.
God, please, if you really want to help me, if you want to save my soul for the sake of my poor mother, please do. Please do. Please do. I cannot do what you're asking me to do.
You have to think about this. I will come back in a few hours to know what will be your mind. If you have changed your mind, think about it. I'll be back. What's this dream all about?
How could Wenza, a little bird, swallow a vulture? Now this is an omen. It's a sign of a bad thing to come. And I must unravel this mystery. I must assemble all the seers, all the native doctors of this land. I need an interpretation of this dream. This because of our land. Please help us. I am worried.
What is the meaning of this? Where are you running to this ceremony?
So you didn't hear the announcement this morning?
Well, I heard it. So how is that your business? That the Igwe wants to summon all the Dibia to his palace. How you take concern?
So you didn't ask yourself why Igwe is summoning all the Dibias in this land to the palace? Now let me tell you. You better leave this village. By the time they will start telling Igwe that Urena is innocent,
you and Okota will know what you did to yourself. I am telling you nothing but the truth. So, who told you that the summon was all about Urina's case? So it's not about Urina. So tell me why the Igwe will summon all the Dibias in this land. Such has never happened in the history of this land before. And what if you, Ugo, you're wrong? What if I am right? Listen. Opana, Opoko Buru, Nti, Chiria. Tell that your friend that I've gone. Goodbye. Bye-bye. And what if Ugo is right? I need to see Okota right now. There is no hiding place for the wicked. The evil that men do follows them to the grave. Come out, Ugo. I can see you are traveling. Obina, please. Do not tell anyone that you saw me. I told Okota that I am no longer interested in this crime against Urena, but he refused. I just want to go. I don't want any problem. I don't want to get myself into trouble. Ugo, where are you headed to? Are you traveling? You have to answer me now. The Igwe is assembling all the diggers in the palace, and I am afraid they might tell him the truth. I don't want to get myself into trouble. That's why I want to run away. You are afraid that they might tell him the truth. Ugo, you know you're such a coward. Do you know the trauma you caused that girl and her mother? And now you are running away instead of you go and meet the Igwe to tell him that she is innocent. You are here traveling. Does that make sense to you? See, if I try any nonsense, if I try any stupid thing, Okota will kill me. So the best thing to do is to run away from this village. I am tired. I am tired. I just want to go and have my peace. Listen to me. You can't run away. We will definitely find you. I can promise you that. Obina, please. I beg you in the name of God. Do not tell anyone about my movement. Don't disclose my movement to anyone, please. I beg you. I beg you. I won't disclose your movement, definitely. But just know that there is no hiding place for the weekend. You will definitely pay for all the crimes you've committed and the trauma you've caused that poor girl and her mother. I can assure you that, so you can take your bag and leave now. That's fine. But definitely justice will get to you in due time.
She's a child of destiny. She is innocent, but no one believes her side of the story. Preparing their judgment. She is innocent, it's all an allegation. As she's trying to prove her innocence, a child of destiny.
There is a problem. What happened? Let's see outside.
Mr. Man, tell me now what happened. Let's
come now. Come. Wait now. Mr. Man, wait. I'm coming. What happened now? See the way you dragged me out for my babe. As I speak to you right now, Ugo has run out of this village. Why? Didn't you hear the announcement the Igwe made early this morning? Is that why he's running? The Igwe has summoned all the DBS in this village. According to Ugo, he said Igwe wants to know if Urena is guilty or not. If this is the case, my brother, we're in trouble. Listen. I am brain boss, Ukenjika. You understand? We can never be in trouble. Have you forgotten that Igwe asked us to bring the man's wife. Before any consultation by Igwe, Igwe must first of all consult us first.
Oh.
Confirm now.
I was already afraid though.
You don't need to. The person you are with is brain boss in Kenjika. But meanwhile, I'll go to palace to confirm. Then, right away.
You mean you're going to the palace?
Right away.
There's no problem now.
Alright,
my man.
See you later.
Okay, man. See you.
I'm not happy. What's all this?
Hey, calm down. I want to go to palace. I have small meeting with you. Okay? We'll see later. Okay? Yes.
Nkume, what did you say?
Your Majesty. Eke, Olia, Afo, Nko, Enenebejo. Oh, Your Majesty.
Nkume, were you able to see anything?
I'm seeing nothing.
Father, I told you this is a total waste of time. Yes, we don't need this man.
Nkume, have you been able to establish what the gods are saying about my dream?
Your Majesty, yet I'm still seeing nothing. I don't know why it's like this. The mystic cloud is hugely clouded. I can't penetrate.
Then you can go. Maybe my gods will send for another seer.
Father, I told you don't need this man. You don't need a seer, Father. You need a dream interpreter to interpret the dream for you, Father.
I take my leave.
Maybe tell the guards to get me another seer.
Father, it's a waste of time. We don't need a seer. We need a dream interpreter to interpret the dream, Father.
What do you need all this for? Father, that girl you brought into this palace is the reason for the dream you had. The earlier you send her away from this palace, the better for all of us, before she brings calamity to this family.
Oledo is right. I think the gods are angry. The reason they've refused to show any of the deviants the interpretation to your dream until you send that evil girl to the evil forest where she belongs.
Father, I think Mother and Ola are right. I mean, you brought in the first Divya, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth. And now you brought in Kome, the eighth Divya. I mean, and yet it couldn't reveal anything. Father, I think at this point, you don't need a seer. You need a dream interpreter, Father.
I still insist you sense that way.
Please listen to them. They are right.
Tell the king I have the interpretation to his dreams.
Hmm?
You heard me.
Who told you that the king had a dream?
No one told me. But I have the interpretation. So make sure you take my message to the king immediately before something drastic happens to him.
As what now? No, as the queen of the land. Eh? Anyway, that is not why I'm here. How far about what I told you last night?
What did you tell me?
Have you made up your mind to do it with me or to waste your life in the evil forest?
Well, it is not possible and it can never be possible. My liberation is at hand. Tell the king I said I have the interpretation to his dreams. Yes.
I ask you again, who told you that the Ibe had a dream?
That question is inconsequential. If you want to save the king's life, tell him what I told you. Else, the calamity that I see.
Shut up your mouth! Can you imagine? Tell the Ibe that I know the interpretation of the dream. If you don't tell the Ibe will die. As what now? No, as what? Who do you even think you are? Anyway, I don't blame you.
Make sure you deliver my message to him. It is important.
We shall see.
Are you sure you have not been to the dark room this morning?
No, I've not been to the dark room ever since she was locked up there.
Yes. So how did she get to find out the dream Igwe had?
She knows.
Yes, she knows the interpretation of the dream. You need to see the way she was talking to me with authority. She said I should go and tell the Igwe that she has the interpretation of his dream.
What? She said that?
Yes. She even said that if I delay, that the Igwe will die.
So, are you going to tell the Igwe?
Am I mad?
Oh.
Even the Igwe will think I've gone crazy.
But wait too. Are you sure that girl, she has not lost it?
Well, you might be right. But I still wonder why the Igwe still keeps her here. All in the name of carrying out investigations.
Well, my brother, he is the king. And you have no power to question his decision.
Yes.
She's a child of destiny. She is innocent, but no one believes her side of the story. The cops are there watching, preparing their judgment.
Okota! I know you're hearing me. It's me now. Become at the very urgent. What is wrong with you? Are you mad? I'm almost getting to her orgasm before you came. Disturbing my activity inside. Are you insane? I'm sorry I'm disturbing your activity inside. But I came to ask you if you later went to the palace. I saw some DBS coming out of the palace. I'm scared. Listen. If you like, see ancestors coming out from the palace. It's none of my business. Allow me to finish what I'm doing inside. I'm off for now. I want to cool off my head. Do you hear me? But this is not how we started. Yeah, I'll go to the palace. I mean, go to where? Go to where? Are you insane? Go to where and do what? Listen, if I hear one more word from you, I will silence. Don't dare me. If you try me, Maba, you will cease to exist. You don't hear me? You will silence him if he tells you, right? Huh? You know, one of you is already on the run. But I promise you guys, there is no hiding place for the wicked in this village. There is no hiding place, Okota. You will pay for all the crimes and the atrocities you've committed in this land. No matter what. Not be now. Affirmation now. You have the guts, the infantry, the impetus to walk into my compound. To insult me, Obina. Obina, you have dared me enough. And I will not take this rubbish from you anymore. I will deal with you, Obina. Mark my word. You are just a scarecrow. You can't do nothing to me. I have all the records and everything. All the atrocities you've been committing. The ladies you've been raping, including that widow. I have them in my palm. Obina! Get out of my house. I said get out of my house before I lose it. Get out of my house, Obina. Go. So you call this a house? A house that was built 1975 by your late father. A house that you can't even maintain. You calling this a house?
You must be so ashamed of yourself.
My late father, you said. At least, I know my roots. Wobina, Afam, Efuna. Ask where you came from. Unfortunate European. Go and ask who your father is. I know my roots. Do you know your roots? No. But let me make it obvious for you. Your father is from Egypt. You are not from this village. Listen, mark my word. You are not from this village. You are a bastard. Leave my house right now before I lose it completely. Leave my house!
Ogota, you can cheat.
Open
For all I care. A word is enough for the wise.
Obina,
watch your back, Ogota!
Obina, leave my
Watch
house!
your back!
Leave my house, Obina.
Leave, you better leave.
You follow him. Come on, get out. Get out. Get out. Get out of this place. Get out of this place. Get out. Come on, get out.
I'll go and tell you.
Tell me your answer. Rubbish.
I came to see you because I need you to leave here as soon as possible. But first, I need you to answer me honestly. Who was that man you did that thing with?
Put yourself in my shoe, my princess. Would you ever admit to a crime you never committed?
What? Are you answering me with a question? How dare you?
My princess, do not misunderstand me. I am well raised by my mother. My mother instilled morals in me. I cannot do such a thing, and I did not do it. Well, that's by the way. The king, your father, had a dream, and he's looking for somebody to interpret it for him. Tell him I'm capable.
What? How did you know about my father's dream? Who told you about it?
No one told me about it. And that's not the case here. I need you to tell him what I told you because his life is at stake.
God forbid! Will you shut up? What is wrong with you? Nothing will happen to my father. Did you hear me?
My princess, if there's anyone who is making mockery of the father's life, it is you and not him. Tell him what I said as soon as possible before the calamity I see befalls this household. It is a matter of urgency.
Father, have you been able to make any inquiries concerning the dream interpreter?
Oh, yes, I have, but I haven't been able to get anyone.
Oh.
I have someone, Father.
And who is he?
A she.
She?
Yes.
Alright, just go ahead and invite her immediately. There's no time to waste.
Well, she's here already. The guards can bring her in here if Father orders it. As a matter of fact, she's no other than the girl in the dark room.
What? Oledo, have you lost it? I mean, are you insane? Who is that girl? Who is she that she will interpret your father's dream? How?
Ola, I'm disappointed in you. I mean, how could you condescend so low to discuss this family? This royal family affairs with a commoner? A nobody? Really?
Calm down.
Alright, I'm calm.
Calm down. Take a chill pill, everyone. Before you condemn me, allow me explain. I just went in there to persuade her to agree to the crime that she was accused of committing, only for her to start telling me about Father's dream.
And how did she manage to know that I had a dream, and who told her?
Answer.
About that, she said no one.
Lies. Father, do not believe. I believe one of the guards must have told her. Yes.
If that be the case, I want all the guards summoned here immediately.
I want to see them immediately. All right, Father.
Greetings, my prince. I know your father might not believe that a commoner like me will be able to interpret his dreams. But the truth is, I can.
How did she know?
How did you get to know the interpretation of my father's dream? And how did you know I was going to decline your offer? Tell me. Speak.
Before Abraham, Jesus was born. And maybe this might be the reason I was sent to this place.
It's alright, since you know the interpretation of the dream, let me hear it. Speak.
I'm sorry I cannot say it to you, my prince. The interpretation is only for the king, not you.
What?
If you want me to say it, kindly take me to him. Let me speak to him directly.
What gave the gall to talk to me like that? Do you realize that you're speaking to the prince of this kingdom, the heir apparent to the throne?
I'm sorry, my prince and my future king.
Oh, now that you am the future king of this kingdom, so can I get the interpretation of the dream?
It's not for you. Remember, if you do not tell the king what I said, you are not doing me a favor. It is the household.
This girl is too stubborn. Who is she to banter words with me, the prince of the land?
My prince, are you alright?
I should be asking you that.
She's a child of destiny.
Father, please let's give her a chance. She might be an instrument from the gods.
What? Do not say that again, else the gods will be angry at you. Have you forgotten who that girl is and the reason she was brought here?
Mother, the gods can use anyone.
I said hush! Hush it! Don't you understand anything? Son, where have you been?
I was with her mother. I didn't know she's so arrogant, so full of herself. I persuaded her to tell me the interpretation of the dream, but she arrogantly told me she'd rather speak to the king directly. Can you imagine?
What an insult.
You mean she said that to you?
Yes, Father. Honestly, Father, I think at this point, we should give her a chance.
What? Anna, are you really the one saying this?
Yes, Mother. I mean, there is no harm in trial. Father, please give her a chance, please.
Second that.
I think at this point you will allow her.
Your Majesty.
Well, all I need is an interpretation to my dream, and that's all.
Your Majesty, you seem to be forgetting something here. That girl committed an abomination and she should be sent out of this village.
Mother, please. All we need is just a trial. There's no harm in giving her a trial. Have you forgotten that father's been everywhere and done everything to get an interpreter to interpret his dream to no avail?
Father, should I go get her now?
Go ahead.
All right, Father.
Mama, you need to promise me that once we get home, you eat something. I need my daughter to remain. She did not do it. Right? Mama, she will now be fine. But you have to be healthy to welcome her back home. I don't have appetite to eat. I will eat, but not now. Mama, this is what you've been saying. This is the same thing you said yesterday. And you ended up going to bed on an empty stomach. Will you take me to the palace to demand for my daughter to release? Mama, they already want us to stay away from the palace.
Let them release my daughter. Up till now, they have never provided the person they said he fornicated with. Is it no wickedness? Let them release my daughter.
Mama, I promise you, Urena will be fine. And as for Okota and his friends, they will surely reap the fruit of their labor. The gods will surely deal with them. Just calm down, Urena will be fine.
I want my daughter to be released though. Is this a wickedness? My daughter did not do anything. She did not do it. She is innocent. She is innocent.
Urena will be fine. Just calm down, okay?
This is wickedness.
Okota! 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 Come and take you devil from the pit of hell. Okota, what do you stand to gain if Urena's mother loses her life because of the wickedness towards her daughter?
Aroka, or whatever you call yourself, take your smelling body out of my house before I descend on you.
Okota, your evil will catch up with you. The gods will surely deal with you. That woman has not eaten or slept since you took her daughter to the Iwe. Also, girl, who the hell are you to come to this house to insult my Odogu Parana? Are you mad? Are you stupid? Imagine, you are not ashamed of yourself. You're so shameless. I'm shameless. Look at the thing you call your man. This thing. I pity your parents because they've lost you. No, stop. Yeah, my Odogu Parana is nothing. You don't have respect. You're not ashamed of yourself. Look at the riffraff your death and you call him your man. How dare you? How dare you lay your filthy hands on me? Are you mad? Have you got enough? Try it again and I'll bury you 6 feet below. Yeah, you idiot.
Amara, pick her up.
Let her touch me. Fucking touch me again and I will bury you alive. Look at them, 2 black idiots. Still at them, maybe.
Amara, I said pick her up.
My Odogu is left is in my brain. I cannot go. Evil personified human beings, idiots. Useless idiot. Try it next time, eh? You wear step before you beat it like a fool.
Amara, what just happened now? Can you explain to me what just happened now? You allow this useless girl to go.
Odogu, I don't have strength to fight too.
So why did you come outside? Why did you come outside? You came outside to humiliate me or what?
Odogu, how did I humiliate you? Eh? Were you not here when I slapped her back?
But she gave you ×3 of what you gave to her. She gave you ×3 of what you gave to her.
Odogu, that's slapping down. That girl is wicked. She's wicked.
I'm so disappointed in you, your fellow woman. You can't even fight her. Nonsense.
Hi. Odogu.
She's here, father.
Greetings, my king. Greetings, my queen. Greetings, my princess.
Young girl, you said you have interpretation to my dream.
Yes, my king.
Now listen carefully. Let me analyze what transpired in the dreams to you so that...
You do not have to do that, my king. I already have the details.
What? How do you mean?
My king, you had a dream where a bird we call Nwanza in Igbo land and vulture were having issues. At some point, it looks like the vulture was about to swallow the bird. Within a twinkle of an eye, reverse became the case. Nwanza swallowed the vulture and flew away.
What? This is unbelievable. Who is she?
How did you know all that?
I'm speechless. Young girl, who is your father?
Igwe, this is not the time for questions and answers. You need interpretation to your dreams, and I'm here to give it. I just want you to make me a promise. Father, please, let us hear what she has to say first. For her to know the details of your dream only means that she has interpretations to them.
Father, please. I think she should hear out. Let her make her appeal.
It's all right. Go ahead. Make your appeal.
Promise me that you grant me my heart desires.
What? Are you here to order me around? Take her back to the dark room.
Igwe, can take her back to the dark room. I am here to interpret your dreams, my king. But if you're not interested, I can as well go with my interpretation.
How dare you talk to the king of the land this way? He saved your life, not minding the gravity of your offense.
Father, please, let her make her appeal. Please.
You are asking me to allow her to talk? What if she gives me condition that I free her? Would you have me do that?
Father, please, let us hear her out first. Because for her to have the details of your dream only means that she has the interpretation that you so desire. Please.
It's all right. Make your appeal.
You have to promise me that you will grant me my heart desire.
Father, please do as she has said, so that you can have this interpretation that you so desire. Please.
Take her back to the dark room.
Greetings, man. Where is my daughter? The Igwe demands your presence in the palace.
She's going nowhere. Don't worry. I'll go with him. I want to explain to Igwe that my daughter is innocent. Don't worry.
A child of destiny.
She is my daughter, Your Majesty.
Are you aware she is a dream interpreter?
What? Igwe, I am not aware of it.
Oh, well, she told me she has interpretation to my dreams, and she went ahead and narrated every nitty-gritty that happened in my dream, and even when no one told her. And I said I must see the mother.
Your Majesty, I don't want to say.
Father, this girl, she's a liar.
Your Majesty, something happened on the 9th month before I gave birth to her. I have not told her about that.
Greetings, young woman. The baby in your womb shall be a great one, for she is favored by the gods of this land. She is a gifted one, and the gods shall be with her until her destiny is fulfilled.
I could not understand what it meant. That is why I could not tell her.
I hope you are telling me the truth.
Your Majesty, I am telling you nothing but the truth.
You are telling me the truth? Everything truth?
Yes, Your Majesty.
You can now take your leave.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Please, release my daughter. She is innocent.
He said you should leave.
She's a child of destiny. She is innocent, but no one believes her side of the story. The gods are there watching, preparing their judgment. She is innocent, it's all an allegation. As she's trying to prove her innocence, a child of destiny.
Your Majesty, don't tell me you believed what that woman said. You know she can fabricate things so that she will free her daughter.
I think she lied.
Your Majesty, she did. Okay, for you to confirm this, who else was there to witness the transition she talked about? No one. So,
I will allow the daughter to interpret my dream. I think the gods must have brought her here for a purpose.
Your Majesty, I disagree with you. Do not make a mistake you will regret for the rest of your life. You see that girl? She committed an abomination, and that is all we should be talking about right now.
Not until she gives me the interpretation of my dream.
She's a child of destiny. She is innocent, but no one believes her side of the story.
What is delaying you? We've been waiting to hear your appeal.
Your Majesty, I'm afraid.
Afraid of what?
Talk. Father is ready to grant you an appeal.
I'm scared he might not want to. I would rather make my appeal in the presence of his cabinet members for security reasons.
What do you mean by that? Why should you involve the king's cabinet members?
Reina, why did you say that? What are your reasons?
Your Majesty, you see this girl? She is making mockery of all of us, and we have to put a stop to it right now.
My queen, I'm not making mockery of the royal household. Knowledge is power. I know the king is your husband, but you also know that knowledge is power, and I have power now. I would want to make my appeal in the presence of his cabinet members so that he can also make his own promises in their presence. I want to be sure.
Brenda, why are you doing this to me? You should have told me that earlier. I have the powers to extradite you and your mother out of this kingdom, but I spared you.
Thank you so much, my king. You're a very humble man. I know that. But you know the heart of man can be deceitful sometimes.
It's all right. Take her back to the dark room. Tomorrow I will summon my cabinet members here.
Dark room? My king, are you mad at me?
Hush it! Anna, take her back to the dark room.
Mama, you know I heard in that dream, but if you are not interested, I can keep it to myself.
Reina, can you stop it? Can you stop talking at least for once? Must you reply to every talk? Where are your manners? Follow me.
Thank you. Thank you.
Imagine.
Mother, I think you should take it easy with her so that she can give us the interpretation to Father's dream.
Then let her keep it to herself than insulting His Majesty.
But why did she suddenly become arrogant? She's no longer scared of being banished. She now gives orders in this palace like it belongs to her.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty, what is the problem?
So, this is a dream.
You had a nightmare?
That same little bed. This time, all of you, including the palace guards, were slaughtered.
I reject it.
And the little bird came before me, dancing and dancing. After a while, it flew away.
I reject the death. But what is the significance of this little bird?
It portends danger. I mean, there is something ominous hanging in the air. Until I get the interpretation to this dream, I don't know what to do.
Are you going to summon the cabinet, as she suggested?
I have no choice. So long as she is going to give me the interpretation.
She is innocent, but no one believes her side of the story. The cops are there watching, preparing their judgment.
Oh no! Oh no!
Good morning, sir.
Adam, good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Please, where's your father?
He's not in. He left to the palace some minutes ago.
And I was even rushing to meet him at home to know the reason for the summon at the palace.
Even my father did not know the reason of the summon.
Are you serious?
All the same, he just said all is well.
All shall be well, my daughter. Okay, let me rush. Let me meet him at the palace.
Igwe, before I interpret or make my appeal, I would appreciate if you ask the princess and the queen to leave.
What? Are you asking me out from my own house?
Urena.
Oh no! What is going on? Who is she to ask the queen and the princess out before the Igwe?
Shut up and listen. Igwe, are they also aware that you had another dream where the royal household was slaughtered? I bet they don't know. Before I make my interpretations, I want the queen and the princess to excuse us.
Sweetheart.
Igwe, thank you for your maximum cooperation.